You might wonder, how do intelligent individuals end up in seemingly irrational groups? The answer lies deeply embedded within human psychology. Cult leaders are astute at exploiting psychological vulnerabilities and social dynamics that are inherent in us all. They begin by identifying individuals who are experiencing life's transitions, uncertainties, or emotional distress, times when brains are wired to seek comfort, meaning, and connection. Once an individual is targeted, charm and charisma work as powerful tools. The cult leader often presents themselves as a figure of authority, possessing unique insights or seemingly divine wisdom. This taps into a basic human instinct, the need to belong and to be guided by those who appear to hold answers during times of confusion or crisis. A vital step in cult indoctrination is creating a sense of community. Through shared rituals, language, and experiences, members often feel an exceptional bond that heightens their loyalty and dependency. These practices generate an emotional high that can override critical thinking and reinforce group cohesion. Moreover, fear and guilt are manipulated to fortify control. By infusing fear of an external threat or of dire consequences for leaving the group, cognitive dissonance provides the fertile ground for control. Over time, isolation from outside perspectives diminishes logical reasoning, making members reliant solely on the cult for validation. Love bombing, an overwhelming display of community affection, is also strategically used to condition new recruits, making them feel irreplaceable and deeply valued. Gradually, the cult leader's narrative becomes the lens through which members view the world. Critical thinking is extinguished, replaced by the leader's ideology. In understanding these psychological tactics, we emphasize the profound impact of one's social environment on beliefs and behavior. As we conclude, remember that awareness is a powerful tool. By being vigilant about these psychological tactics, we can protect ourselves and others from undue influence, preserving our freedom of thought. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the mind. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay curious.